Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Tuesday, February the 18th, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and today I want to solve this puzzle without any instruction or explanation. Why? Once in a time, I want to check my speed. If it's okay, you should do that also. So let's get started. Um, mhm, 5 there. 5. Here, 5. There. Here, 5. 2 5s there, 2 5. The 6. The 5 goes there. 5 5. Then 6 6. The 8 8 8. 2 2 2 2. 5 9 9 9. 3 3. 6 6 6. We have a 6 6 3 6 3. 1 2 3 4 5 8 9 9 9. 9 9 and 8 8. So this must be a 4. 8 8 8 8. 4 8 and 4 8 4. This must be a 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. 2 2 2 2. 8 8. What is this? 3 and 8. 3 and 8. 3 3 3. 8 is missing and 4 is missing. 8 3 and 4 8 8 3. 7 7 7 7 7 7 there. 7. We go to the 7 7 and the 7 7. Okay, then these 3. 1 2 3 4 8 8 4 4 4 and then 9. 8 and 9. So this must be 4. 8 and 9. 8 9 8 9 8 9 8 9 8. This must be a 4. This must be an 8. 8 9 9 9. This must be a 4. 4 3 8 3 8. 4 4 4 4 4. These two are 2 and 2 and 2 and no 2 and 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Yes, 2 and 9. 2 9 9. We have a 2 there. 1 2 3 3 3. 8 8 8 8. 8. Here we have an 8. Here we have an 8. So here can be an 8 8. 8 8 8 and a 3, 3. So we have a 3, 3 here, 3. These two are 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We have a 9 there. No. 4, 4, 4. This must be a 9. These two, 6, and we have a 6, and 2, 2. These two, 3 and 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. Come on. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 3, 3, 3. 8, 8. 6, the 1, the 8, the 9 should be here. The 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1 left is for the third. No, 1, 2, the 4. Yes. 8 and 3, 8 and 3, 8, 3 and 9, 8, 3, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 6, 3, 8, these two, 3 and 3 and 3 and 7, 7, 7, 7, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. These two, 7 and 8, 7. We have a 7 here. 8, so this must be a 7. 8, 8 and 3. 8 should be here. 6 and 3, 6 and 3, 6, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And these two are the 1, 2, 3 and a 4, 4. These two, 3 and 8. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright, for Sudoku Medium. It's solved, and yeah, you should do this once in a while. Check your speed. If it's improving all those Sudokus, it's just like playing music on a piano. Every time you place a music and the keys, your fingers will be faster and faster. So you should do this with the Sudokus once in a while. So enjoy this Sudoku without any instruction or any explanation. Thank you for watching. If you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, or if you want, download a PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself, and maybe you can beat my time. Anyway, again, thank you for watching, and I will see you for a new edition of Sudokus. Bye bye.